Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make blue spirulina water updated. Measure 1/4 teaspoon blue spirulina, mix with 16 ounces cold water, stir until dissolved, add lemon or sweetener to taste. Use a glass bottle or shaker, chill for best color, and avoid hot water which can reduce vibrancy. Taste and adjust sweetness or acidity, and enjoy as a refreshing, antioxidant-rich drink any time of day right now. Blue spirulina is an algae powder that adds vibrant color and a mild, earthy flavor while supplying antioxidants and phycocyanin. For water, use filtered or spring water for best clarity and taste, and add a small squeeze of lemon to balance flavor. Keep powder sealed in a cool, dry place, and use precise measurements to avoid overpowering the drink. Experiment with sparkling water or iced tea for fun variations today. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and updates. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I love for smoothies and on-the-go drinks. I link them and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel, and hit the bell to catch future updates and variations. And now let's get back to the video. Start by rinsing any utensils, then measure 1/4 teaspoon of blue spirulina per 16 ounces of water. Whisk briskly or use a shaker bottle to dissolve powder fully and prevent clumps. Adjust citrus, sweetener, or carbonation to taste, and sip slowly to assess flavor. Avoid using boiling water, which can reduce potency and color. Store prepared drinks in the fridge up to 2 days and shake before serving for renewed vibrancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.